Remember when Loupedeck actually worked? Because those days are officially over. They just announced they're ending all sales, and for those of us who stood by them, it feels like a slow motion collapse. One that started the day Logitech took over. Before the buyout, updates were solid, stable releases, useful features, but from version 6.0 on, it went all downhill. Breaking changes, plugin failures, device freezing at loading screens, and then they came version 6.1.0. That's when it broke for me. I ran into the dreaded spinning Pac-Man bug. My Loupedeck Live completely dead. Black screen, no recovery, and guess what? No way to roll back. No 6.0.5 archive, no offline installers, just a support email saying wait 48 hours, and a diagnostic tool that didn't even launch. That was the moment my trust finally died. So yesterday I gave up. I bought a Stream Deck Plus and spent most of the day setting it up. Then today they dropped the news. Official blog post, Loupedeck is ending sales. No roadmap, no clarity, just silence and a sad goodbye. After years of loyalty, this is how it ends. Broken updates, ghosted support, a product left to rot by the company that was supposed to save it. Logitech didn't fix Loupedeck, they buried it. Rest in peace, Loupedeck. You deserve better. Did you go through this too? Which bug finally pushed you away? Drop your story below. I'm reading every one. And if you're switching the Stream Deck, smash the like button and hit subscribe, because this was just the beginning. Till next time.